Looking for a reliable motherboard that supports the latest 12th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors without breaking the bank? The ASUS LGA 1700 motherboard delivers exactly that: solid performance with essential features designed to keep your system running smoothly. This board comes equipped with ultrafast connectivity options like PCIe 4.0 and Intel 1 Gigabit Ethernet, ensuring quick data transfers and stable network connections. You'll also find rear USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports and a front USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, so plugging in your devices is hassle-free and fast. One standout feature is ASUS exclusive self-recovering BIOS technology. It automatically restores your system BIOS from a verified backup if anything goes wrong, giving you peace of mind and reducing downtime. For IT management, the ASUS Corporate Stable Model program offers up to 36 months of supply, along with end-of-life notices and engineering change notifications. Troubleshooting becomes easier thanks to a dedicated LPC header and a debug card with an LCD display. Plus, an innovative moisture-resistant coating protects the motherboard from harsh environments, extending its lifespan and reliability in demanding conditions. While this motherboard focuses on affordability, it still offers 2 slots for fast storage options. However, it lacks heatsinks over the VRMs and doesn't include built-in Wi-Fi, which is worth noting depending on your setup needs. The design is simple, and some users have pointed out minor imperfections in port alignment, but overall it performs as expected without issues. If you're prioritizing budget and essential features over flashy extras, this ASUS LGA 1700 motherboard is a solid choice. It's especially suitable for those who don't need Wi-Fi and want a dependable board that supports the latest Intel processors with key connectivity and management tools. Worth a look if you want straightforward performance at a low cost. Try it when you're ready to build a system that covers all the basics without unnecessary frills. Ready to upgrade your PC with a motherboard that balances price and performance? Check out the ASUS LGA 1700 motherboard and see how it fits your build. It's a practical option for anyone focused on core features and reliable operation.